Hey, fellow YouTubers, it's me, John Laval. Listen, not that I have any stock in the stock market, I don't, but I am a person who can apply common sense when it comes to, say, if I were to buy stock or dump stock. I'm looking at something new here. Rogers and Bell have pretty well dominated the internet, phone, and cable service since the beginning, and the small companies couldn't come in, and they couldn't compete. So without the competition, the prices in Canada are horrendous. I think we're paying like 3 to 4 times as much as anybody else in the world for the same services, and they've been sticking it to us for years, but I've noticed that a few companies are now slipping in. For one, Comway's coming in. They're offering your phone and your unlimited internet bandwidth for $49 a month. I don't think Rogers offers, or Bell even offers, unlimited. They've got actually very small packages, 15, 20 gigs, and then they really stick it to you if you go over the line. And it doesn't take too much time to get to that point. So now what are they going to do? They're offering, so I noticed that Rogers has now dropped their price on the internet. They're offering 200 gigs a month bandwidth transfer, and you see they're offering a lot more and charging you a lot less. Now what that translates into, and Bell's going to have to do the same thing. I just saw a cell phone company come in. Apparently they're going to give you like 5 times as much for half the price. This translates into Rogers is going to lose annual revenue. A lot of it, probably half of. They're going to only make half of what they used to make because they're going to have to do something about the competition. They're going to have to compete, and same with Bell. They're going to lose half their revenue. So when you show a loss of revenue like that, really affects their stock values. So what will happen is you'll get a selling frenzy, and what happens in a selling frenzy is people will just drop the prices as low as they can afford just to get rid of the stock. If they can't sell, they'll just keep going lower and lower, and they will absolutely crucify the stock value of these two companies, and basically they're going to be out of business if they can't show good numbers on the stock market. There's no investment in that company, and again, they're losing half their revenue. You watch if they're not, if they don't get cleaned off the shelf by the small companies. Personally, I think it's about time. I get tired of them sticking it to me for these high prices. I can't even afford them. And see, they were keeping the prices really, really high on, not giving you much internet bandwidth, and keeping the prices high because they want to keep their cable service running. Because if it got cheap, then people would just go to like Netflix and all the free TV sites you can go to, and you'd pick up all your entertainment that way. TV entertainment that way. You can get the CNN News, all their news streams and everything, and so they basically would lose that. I mean, their minimum charge for cable is about $80 a month for nothing. So they would lose that, and that's a big chunk of their business. And so they must be pretty scared. They don't know what to do. I mean, they've approached the government. They've tried everything to keep every other company out so they can make boodles off of us. They'd still make a profit. It's just that if it shows that they're losing revenue every year, their stock market, the stocks are just going to plummet. The company will be finished. Anyways, That's what I wanted to tell you. If I was buying stock, I sure wouldn't be buying theirs. And if I owned their stock, I'd sure be dumping it, because I know what's coming up. Anyways, see ya. Bye.